Hi, I'm Tanisha and I'm a freelancing makeup artist from Delhi. The day I started doing makeup, I got flooded with a lot of queries like which is the best foundation, which is the best eyeshadow palette, and a lot about which products do I use on my client's face. So in order to answer all these queries or get engaged with my followers, I started to make my own YouTube makeup tutorials, which I put on YouTube or maybe do it live on Instagram. But there's a little secret to the videos that I put on. I do not only mention the product's name, but I also mention the link through which the girls can buy these products at the best price possible. But, when anyone clicks on the description's link and buy those products, I earn money out of it, and this is all possible because of EarnKaro. So basically what I have to do is I have to copy the link of the products that I want to share in my description from various websites like Sephora, Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, and paste it in the make link section of the EarnKaro app, and then when I click on the make profit link option, I get a new link created for me, which I copy from there and add it to my descriptions. If I have to reveal my earning, it's almost 12,500. And it's just been a month and a half that I started putting these links in my description on various YouTube and Instagram videos. It feels amazing how makeup artists like me can earn money by just recommending beauty products. It has kind of become my hidden side income and I'm just loving it.